Welcome to this Climate Policy Series course trailer. Here's how this course trailer fits in. All of our courses build upon our 25 plus years in the field and our work building the Climate Web, an open access, actionable knowledge tool for climate change risk and opportunity management. The Climate Web helps you get around the deluge of information associated with Googling almost any climate relevant term. Instead of deluging you with information, the Climate Web links all kinds of information together to make actionable knowledge more accessible to you. That said, even the Climate Web can seem difficult to navigate, which is why we are developing these courses. Recognizing climate change as a so-called wicked problem, the issue of climate policy is almost certainly paramount when it comes to tackling climate change. That's not to suggest that technology and many other interventions aren't critical. It simply reflects the reality that without policy drivers, it becomes very difficult to see how the many other pieces of the puzzle fall into place. But there are critical questions about climate policy. Will international policy involve more than voluntary commitments? Is current international policy off track? For example, should international policy focus on carbon pricing, as some experts argue? What's the likely outcome of the Paris Agreement? What's achievable in the U.S. going forward? What are the best mechanisms for advancing a U.S. policy agenda? What's the policy time frame advocates should be focused on today? How much can state and local action accomplish? Is business advocating effectively for climate policy? Can business action proxy for climate policy? There's a ton of good work and good thinking available on these and many other questions. And clearly not all policy options are created equal, and it's key to be able to evaluate the likely performance and contribution of different policy options. You'll get a lot more insight into these topics in our Climate Policy 101 courses, so check them out.